Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're comparing two popular data tools, Tableau and Alteryx. I'll break down what each tool is best at, how they differ, and when you might choose one over the other. Let's start with Tableau. Tableau is a powerful data visualization and business intelligence platform. Its strength lies in creating interactive dashboards and visual reports that make insights easy to understand. With a drag-and-drop interface, Tableau lets you build charts, graphs, and KPI dashboards without needing to write code. It connects to many data sources like Excel, databases, and cloud platforms, and it's great for exploring data visually and sharing results with others. Tableau is ideal if you want to analyze data and communicate findings quickly. It's widely used by business analysts, data storytellers, and teams that need clear dashboards for decision-making. However, Tableau alone does not focus on deep data preparation or advanced data transformation before visualization. You can prepare data inside Tableau, but complex cleansing tasks might be slow or limited. Now let's talk about Alteryx. Alteryx is a data analytics platform focused on preparing, blending, and transforming data. It's designed for heavy data processing, complex workflows, predictive analytics, and automation. With Alteryx, you can clean and combine massive data sets from different systems, perform advanced calculations, and build repeatable workflows that save time. Alteryx doesn't emphasize dashboards and visuals the way Tableau does. Instead, it gives analysts the power to structure and analyze data deeply before sharing results in other tools like Tableau or reporting platforms. If you need solid data preparation, predictive analytics, and automated repeatable processes, Alteryx is often the better choice. So, which one is better? The short answer is, it depends on what you need. For data visualization, interactive dashboards, and sharing insights with stakeholders, Tableau is usually better. It makes exploring and communicating data easy and effective. For deep data preparation, blending, complex transformations, and predictive analytics before visualization, Alteryx excels. Many organizations actually use them together, Alteryx to prepare the data and Tableau to visualize it. If you're new to both tools and want one to start with, choose based on your goals. If your job or project requires creating dashboards and telling a story with data, start with Tableau. If your world involves complex data cleanup, advanced analysis, and automation, Alteryx might be the place to begin. Thanks for watching this comparison. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss more reviews and tutorials on data analytics tools.